Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you the two new collections that I got that I will be working with. I thought that when I recognized and saw the collection from Jen Hadfield's This Is Family, I have a set of autumn photos from Stuttgart while we were still stationed in there that I thought would work perfectly for this collection, and that's why I'm going to do these. And that's why I got this. So I did get the 6x6 paper pad. Fortunately, it's the copper foiling, which was like, oh, do I want it? But I was like, okay, I'll get it because I can kind of hide some of the gold foiling. But here's what some of the papers look like. Picnic baskets. I really like the soft pinks and colors. The really theme for this fall was a lot of trees and whatnot, and I really, really like how those looked. See, this is all copper. I do love that one. Ooh, I love that color too. And then it starts over, so you get two of each. And then I did get both of the things, and I've already put them in here, so I will show you. One of them is Icon Ephemera, and then Phase Ephemera. So there's the back of the one that is called Phase Ephemera. And then this one is the Icon. And here are what the pieces look like. So here's the balloons. A lot of acetate pieces in this set of collection. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with that one yet, but there's some of the pieces that I'm like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with that thing. Because it's so, like, it's really spread out. And this one's going to be a really good one to back because we don't have a dog. The bear with the bicycle. Guitar. Girl making the puzzle, foxes, butterfly. And here's some more acetate pieces. Cake, candles. If you are very much about looking at the icons to see if you can be able to use them in any way, this is a good one for food. Or another one would be another good one for fall photos, anything like that. Now, to me, as long as the color matches, you all know, I will put it on a layout. Here's a snail. And then here comes the phrased icons that we got. And here's some more. This is family, love you to bits and pieces, all this kind of stuff in that one. And then there's these ones. Some more cut aparts, some more cut aparts. There's some more texting. So those are all of the ephemera packs. I did get both of them. Just one set of each, but I did get both. And then here is the thickers called Home. And I really like the sayings on there. There is a lot about birthday, I will tell you that. So then I did get the stickers, the little stickers. And when I got this originally, I didn't completely pay attention. Because these here, no. No. Now this, yes. This, yes. These, yes. These, yes. Those, no. Nope. Yeah, no. And no. No. I don't know if I can say no again, but no. But I will know that will use the bicycles and stuff. I love these little guys here. This is perfect. And then I did get the stickers. Partridge in a Pear Tree. I thought that Partridge Family That was cool. I like the texting. Kaylin does this. I've got quite a bit of photos of that. All right, now the papers. So the papers. This is Fun Times. This one is called Fresh Picked. And this is black. The background's black. If it shows up navy blue, it's black. And then this one is Snail Mail. See the little snails. Bike Ride. And Amy, if you're watching that, no, I'm not going to fussy cut all those bikes out. Nope. And then there is a picnic or a birthday layout. Which really, the way they have this set up, you could do it just about anything. It doesn't really have to be a birthday. It could be a wedding with some cards. This one is Home Sweet Home. And that's black again. Golden Field. Scattered Leaves. This reminds me of Paige Evans' collection, but different colors. Road Trip. Then this one is Mealtime. This is Houseplants. This one is Chit Chat. I love you. What's the worst part of your day? How was your day? Let's get together. What is the most interesting thing you learned? Dominoes. Fridge art. That's what this one is. And then the last but not least is Bits and Pieces. So that is that collection. And like I said, this collection is going to be used for the fall photos that I thought I got all of the fall photos done for my Stuttgart trip of going to Luxembourg, and I found some that I didn't. So that'll be perfect. So the next one, this one is just, this one is just my favorite. Like, the crepe paper just can't get any better. It's the Snowflake collection. And I know we don't get snow here. I don't care. It's going to be all my winter photos, Christmas photos, everything about it. I got the whole collection. And I will start with the ephemera pack. So this is the regular, there's 40 ephemeras. And then I got 2 of the puffy stickers. Oh, look how gorgeous those are. Oh. And then I did get 6 sheets that is 250 stickers. Oh, yes. Just, I love these all. All of it. It's just perfect for me. So, vintage. I did get the alphas, which is called Comfort. And this is black. And then they're like puffy. It's black on black. So it's cardstock. Like what they've been coming out with lately is cardstock on top. And then the puffy, the foam on the bottom. So that's what these are. And then I did get the stickers. And then there's some more stickers. Yay. Alright, the 6x6 or the 6x8 paper pad. Now, these are only 24 sheets. So there are those. I just love the vintage of these. I can't wait to start using this. So it's 1 sheet of each. And so I didn't get every sheet because I did pick and choose out of it. So here are the papers. This one is called Bundled. Winter Escape, Frosted. And I did get 2 of these because I really like this background. I like this, but I really like this too, and I wanted to be able to use both. And then Cabin. Oh, I love this page. That's why I got 2. Look at the back of that one. Oh, so up my alley. All right, Knitted. I did get 2 of these. Because I can see myself fussy cutting these out. Probably not, but I can see myself doing it. And then this one is Wonderland. And this one is Village. And I did get 2 of these. Look at that. Gorgeous. Icicles. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. Snowcapped. Very Merry. Marshmallow. Spruce is the last page I got of this. And then I did get, now I have to say, they made these a little bit thinner, or American Crafts is getting pretty skimpy. I don't know. But I've never had it where they just come apart like this before. But I did get the chipboards of it because, you know, that's just me. I love it. And so that is it. That is the collections that I got. And I will be using these. You will see a lot of this for December Daily because I love the color of this. And it mixes and mingles with another collection of mine as well that's going to go well together so that I could be able to finish out. Also, I do have, like I said, that other fall one is going to be used as well. So I hope that you enjoyed what these 2 new collections look like. And keep on watching to see what I will be doing with these. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye!